How's it, guys? Welcome back to FX Rhapsody. Today we're going to be talking about trend is your friend. But before we hit the charts, just go visit my website. It's on the bottom left corner over here, where you can find some previous trading material. For those of you that's starting out in your trading career, there's some nice video categories, and for those of you that's already in there, just some nice strategies that you can follow. Maybe it will help you in your trading career. Also, there's some nice resources to download, and then also my preferred brokers. You know, you always need a reliable broker on your side when it comes to your trading. You know, guys that you know that will be good for you, will be keeping your money safe, and all that kind of things. So go check them out. These guys are absolutely brilliant. Okay, so let's hit the charts. Trend is your friend. So what do I mean by that? If you look at your, we're looking at the EURUSD chart, the 1 hour time frame. And if you just take your chart and you look at like this, okay, there's no lines, there's nothing in it. You see, you know, downwards movement, upwards movement, downwards movement, upwards. So it's just clean chart. But what happens if I put day separators in here? Okay, for those of you that's intraday traders, this is actually very nice, and it's just something for you to think about. Okay, this is basically why I do this video. It's just to open your mind to trading and the possibilities in this industry and how simple it actually can be. Okay, so if you look, like I said, these are the day separators. As you can see, this is the start of Monday the 1st, and then Tuesday the 2nd. That's the blocks and so forth. On the EURUSD, what do you see when you look at this chart now? It's just a simple day separator that I've put in. So what do you see? How simple and how clear does this chart look all of a sudden? If you can start off your day, okay, you start off your day and you could just place a trade there, okay, catch a movement over there or wherever the situation, or this side here, and you end your day, you leave your trade towards the end of the day, right about there, okay? That is, for the day, you would have made 29 pips. It doesn't seem like a lot, okay? But it all depends on the volume that you trade, the lot sizes that you trade. So that's a 29 pip swing in the movement from opening to closing. You can see. The reason I'm saying trend is your friend, because we can see it's a bit of a downtrend forming. So wherever you need to just follow the trend. If it's a downtrend, guys, you look for sell signals or sell opportunities. You try and catch it as early as possible during the opening of the day, and you leave your trade towards the end of the day. Okay, that's it. Same with the next day. Let's look at Tuesday the 2nd. So still downwards movement, but you can see some movement going upwards. So there's that swing in the market. And this is where I'm going to do a next video on this, just to catch these pips or catch these entries to make it even better for you. So let's assume you did notice there's going to be a swing in the market, you know, be it whatever the situation. You place the buy there, and then you closed your buy on that, you know, end of the day. So again, you open the buy. I'm just going to assume it was something that started today, and you closed it there. It's another 44 pips. Now, the next day, Wednesday, you can see it's a moving up of the market. It's the trend is going upwards. So again, what you do is you try and find a trade early in the morning, okay, depending on your time zone, depending where you are in the world, what time you're trading. For me, it will be early morning, and then you close it at the end of the day, which will be the next morning for me, okay? But it's the end of the New York time zone day, and that's a 61 swing. It's one trade that you need to catch, and you just leave it, okay? That's it. That is what trading is. That's how simple it is, guys. Another one, you catch it at the beginning of the day, and you leave your trade. You forget about it. You go back because you know the trend. And then you see it's a downtrend, and then that's another swing in the market. Now, catching these trends, like I said, I will do another video about this, and I will show you quickly just where or what areas or what time you need to look for these entries. But as you can see, I can just carry on. There's a lot of days there will be no movement in the market. There will be, yes, downwards movements, upwards movements, but at the close, as you can see, it's relatively the same. Okay, there's your start of the day, that's the end of the day. The next day, start of the day, end of the day. As you can see, if you follow your trend, you can make money, guys. Okay, it's not every day there's going to be possibilities. Not every day there's a trade. Not every day you're going to make pips. But again, look at this. Okay, start of the day, end of the day. So start of the day, end of the day. There's always a swing in the market. And if you follow the trend, you will make money. Not just money, but it's pips. That's what it is all about. This is the British pound, US dollar. Okay. So let's just roll back. I just marked out a little bit. Don't know how far, but let's just start here. Okay. There's a nice big movement upwards. Okay. All depends on, I don't always like, reading about fundamentals, and because, for me, it's just, fundamentals and news is all market manipulation. But if you can just find those areas and you can see that there's going to be a swing in the market, be it upwards or downwards, you need to enter the early in the morning. Day starting, you need to find your trade that's early in the morning and exiting at the end of the day. That's the areas that you need to look at. You only need one trade. Because let's say you trade two pairs. Okay. Let's say that you trading like we just did Euro USD, GBPUSD. That's a 77 pip move on the Euro USD Euro quarter, let's say 40 pips. So that's over 100 pips a day. Two trades. Okay. One trade per currency pair. It's as easy as it gets. I'm just going to show you something, and we're going to talk about this in the next video. Just going to go to 15 minutes, because obviously what you look for is entries on your lower time frames. So there's the two time zones, the London and the New York. And the London time zone is going to be your opportunities where you're going to enter your trades. And like I said again, I will make a video about this, so just keep an eye out for this. Okay, so the London time zone, the open of the London time zone, be it just before or be it during, these are the areas, or this is going to be the area that we're going to be focusing on. New York time, yes, there's always big movements. These two these two open times or trading times in the market, these are the areas that is very volatile in the market. As you can see, there's a lot of volatility, and it shifts down to the end of the day. Okay, that's how it goes. So that's just all from my side today. It's a small or short little video. I just wanted to just open your mind to how easy trading can be, and just having one trade a day can make you some profit, be it little bits, be it a lot, but every day there will be opportunity. And I need you just to think about that, and then just watch out for my next video coming. So guys, that's all from my side. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, notification bell. Show me some love by hitting that super thanks, and comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think, and we will be seeing you on the next video. So guys, hope you're having a wonderful week. Stay safe and happy trading, guys.